welcome. Now take a look at what I have here. Today I have a facial toner. This is an homemade facial toner. A facial toner that is rich in antioxidants, have to boost the collagen production on the skin, have to balance the pH level of the skin. This facial toner, I'm using all natural ingredients that can help your skin to look healthier, fresher and radiant. Now a facial toner is normally used on clean skin. So when you cleanse your skin, the first thing that you apply on your skin is your facial toner. So either you're going to spray it on, pat it on, or use a cotton pad to wipe your face with the facial toner. Once your facial toner is on, then you go ahead and you apply your serum on your moisturizer. It is vital to use a facial toner because it helps the products that you're using on your skin to work better. However, this facial toner also go even further by helping to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, since we're using wrinkle fighting properties in it. So if you're looking for an homemade facial toner that is going to give you double duty by smoothing the skin, balancing the pH of the skin while reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, then guess what? Continue watching for the full detailed recipe. Now let's take a look at our first ingredient, and today we're using coffee. This is freshly brewed coffee. For this recipe, we suggest you use unflavored coffee. Now coffee is rich in caffeine, which will help to boost the collagen and also reduce the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. To make our coffee facial toner, what we're going to do, we're going to start out by using 2 tablespoons of the coffee. Pour that in. Next, we're reaching for some rose water, which is very hydrating to the skin. Rose water will help to balance the natural pH of the skin and keep the skin soft and supple. So we're using 1:1. So therefore we're using 2 tablespoons of the rose water. Two tablespoons of our rose water. We're going to mix the two together. We're mixing coffee and rose water. Next, we're going to reach for some humectant in the form of honey. Have to lock the moisture in the skin. Also have to tighten up the skin and hydrate the skin. Now for our honey, we do not need a lot. So we're just going to use about a teaspoon of the honey. 1 teaspoon of your honey. Pour this in. And we're going to completely dissolve the honey in the coffee and rose water mixture. So mix well. Totally dissolve the honey. So take your time and mix. Now once this is done, we're going to move on. We're making an anti-aging facial toner. Now take a look at my next ingredient. Here we have some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will have to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It will have to boost the collagen in the skin. It is good for sunburn. Aloe vera gel is also great for cooling the skin, good for most skin type. Now this is a store-bought aloe vera gel. For this recipe, you can go ahead and you can use your fresh aloe vera gel. However, this aloe vera gel is 99.75% of aloe vera gel. What they had to this was a little bit of a citric acid in the form of vitamin C, and they also have a bit of a preservative, which is potassium, and they also had a natural plant-based thickener to give it a more gel-like consistency. So definitely you can reach for an aloe vera gel that is 99%. Once it's in a bottle, then you know they will have to add some form of a preservative and also a little thickener for it to be jelly-like. So for this aloe vera gel, I am going to be using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and I'm just going to pump this. I can also choose to open the bottle. So 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. We're almost there. And this is it. And now we are going to pour this in. And we're going to mix, and we are going to mix well. So right now here we have some coffee, we have some rose water, we have some honey, and we have some aloe vera gel. Now the fact that the aloe vera gel have its own preservative, it also have to preserve this mixture. However, we're going to use some preservative of our choice, which is vegetable glycerine, plant-based all-purpose vegetable glycerine. So good for keeping your DIY facial remedies longer. So we're using about a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine, and now we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well. Now here we have our amazing water-based facial toner. This facial toner should be used directly on the skin right after you wash your face. It is a facial toner that you're going to keep in the refrigerator, and this is best to keep in a bottle with a spray pump, or if not, you just use what you have and use a cotton pad on it. Help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, help to hydrate the skin, help your skin to look younger and fresher. So let's pour this in our container. And take a look, here we have our facial toner. In this facial toner, you're going to use AM and PM on the skin. A little of the facial toner goes a long way. You do not need a lot. So when you wash your face, you're going to take a few drops of the facial toner, rub it in your hands, and just press it on your face. It's not going to leave any greasy feel or any form of a residue. So just apply it on your face like I'm showing here, and it's just going to absorb on the skin. It's going to dry on the skin within a couple of seconds, and once that is done, you're going to go ahead and you're going to apply your facial serum and then your facial moisturizer. Store this in the refrigerator and take it out and use it every day for amazing looking skin.